Hello and salam alaikum all. My hearty congratulations to dear Ansari family as we enter into 50th year of business on this globe. The positive impact Ansari Group has created is highly commendable. We are extremely thankful to all our customers and principals throughout the world for helping us reach where we are today. Special thanks to all our Omani brothers and sisters of this beautiful nation and His Majesty and the Omani government for supporting Ansari throughout our journey of 50 years. Gratitude to our team and management of Ansari for the wonderful support in our march ahead. Let's continue our good work all around by partnering with our customers and providing them with the best solutions to their challenges. I would like to add a new word to our tagline by our actions. Let's change it from "you can rely on us" to "you can always rely on us." Thank you all and ma salam.